the legislations he has passed, the people he has helped, the people and the hearts that he has reached, he has touched. We thank you for recognizing his service as a public servant. We thank you for acknowledging his abilities and his leadership. We thank you so much for this recognition, and we thank you, Congressman Lani Revilla. Thank you very much. Thank you po sa inyong lahat, and most especially to the congressmen of the Northern Bloc, as you said, mostly sa kanila nang galing. Kanina lang po sila nandito, but it was freshly printed. Nakaka-touch naman po. Maraming salamat. That he was able to do a lot of good things as a vice mayor, as a congressman, as a vice governor, and now as the undersecretary of the Department of Agriculture. More than that, he had an advocacy for the artisans of the Ilocos region, all the weavers, all the hat makers, everything, all the industries in Ilocos. He promoted to the point of even opening a restaurant that only served Ilocano food. Because he was so proud of Ilocosur. Not only that, he even made projects to promote the tourism so that people would love to see what Ilocos had to offer. More than anything, DB was a good friend. Even in our village, all his walking buddies missed him so much. They were shocked.
Kasi Sir DB, a long time ago, kasi lalo kami nagpa-fashion sa Ilocos for Abel Iloco na padre. So mabait siya, lagi niya akong binibigyan ng mga chichacorn. Tapos lagi kong pinapadoble sa kanya kasi mahirap na ako. Tapos pagpasok ko dito, sabi ko sa anak ko, Nak, no? Kaya pala ba namamatay yung mga mayayaman? Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak. Kaya Steve, tingin po akong bulaklak na sa labas. Yung kulay violet ko, maganda pang mayaman. Parang maganda pong mailagay muna sa table namin. Ano po? And again, kagaya po na sinabi ng lahat, napakabait po ni Sir. Kahit nung last Christmas, last birthday ni Miss Lee, alin na alin siya sa akin. Kaya sinabi niya po sa akin, Miss Lee, na bibigyan daw po niya ako ng room doon po sa bahay niya sa Ilocos. So ganyan po kabait sa Sir Lee. Wala kang choice. Tabi tayo, girl. Okay. Maraming salamat po. Of course, Miss Lee, time heals, sabi nga nila. Alam ko yung nag-feel niya na loss.